Okay, here's part 3. I just put in the CPUs and the fans, heat sinks, whatever. Now time to put in the rest of the stuff. Let's go ahead and put in the RAM. This is a 4 gigabyte fully buffered ECC RAM, and I have 8 slots down here. And you're not going to believe this. It actually came with these. I didn't order these, but the chassis came with these riser cards to make my RAM expandable up to 64 gigabytes. I know, that's insane. But this is a workstation server sort of thing, so it's made extremely scalable. But I'm just using it as a gaming PC, so I only need 8 gigs. So I'm putting in 4 here, and I have it backwards. And oh my gosh, please go in. There we go. 4 here, and another 4 right here. Excellent. So we got 8 gigs of RAM in there. Let's go ahead and put in my graphics card. This is a GeForce 9600 GT LP. It's got my VGA, HDMI, and DVI. Just goes right here into the PCI Express ×16 slot. If I can fit it in there, please. Okay, here we go. Excellent. That's in there. Pop the tab. I'm gonna screw it in place with a tiny screw. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. Ah, fucking screw came out. Okay. Come on, the tiniest parts are the hardest ones. Please just go in. There we go. Okay, that's secure. It requires a extra power source, so I'm just gonna plug it in. Excellent. Alright, we're good. So, got my CPUs, my RAM, my graphics card. Now I'm gonna put in my hard drive. I'm going to install 7 on this one first, and then do the transfer with the other 2 drives. So for now, I'm just going to put in this. Let's see, which way does it go? Oh, I need to take out this thing first. Alright, this is a little tray that the hard drive goes in, to make it easier to slide in. And hang on a sec, I'm just gonna sit down the camera because I cannot do this one-handed. Okay. Almost got it. There we go. Alright, so the hard drive is in its little tray thing. I can just slide it in. Pops right into place. And give it its power. And one of these SATA cords. Let's see which end. Alright. Whoa, sorry, camera got messed up. Okay. Just need to stick this in here somewhere. Hard to see, I know, but bear with me. Alright. That should be good. What's next? Alright, let me put in the DVD drive. Alright. I'm gonna screw it in place. Oops. Oh man. Oh, damn it. I know it's really dark. Just hang on. It's almost in there. Okay. Now, this cover thing. Alright, and with that, I think we should be good to go. Now, yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it, as far as the insides go. So, I'm going to end this video. Next one should be me installing the software. Let's see if I can get this thing running. Alright, so hope you like.